Hello and welcome to the Eunice Design Workshop, where all of your crazy ideas come to fruition. Hi, so first up we have the tool cupboard situated in the front right corner of the workshop. So it opens like this, and voila, here are all the tools for your disposal. So here you can grab some basic tools like hacksaws, screwdrivers, hammers, etc. Okay, that's it for the cupboard. Now we move on to here, where we have the rulers and the safety goggles. So whenever you're working in the workshop, you obviously want to be wearing safety goggles. You want to make sure to tie your hair back if it's long enough. You're going to want to get rid of any loose clothing. And you're going to want to make sure you wear closed shoes. And if you want to wear an apron, there's aprons over there. You can wear them if you want to. Now we'll go over some of the basic workshop tools. There we have the scroll saws, pillar drills, the laser cutter, the bandsaw, the belt and disc sander, and the 3D printers. So conveniently laid out on the table here for you, we have some general hand tools that you'll be using every day in the design workshop. First up, we have a tri-square. There's two edges that are perpendicular to each other and are perfectly straight and make up a 90-degree angle. So the way you use it is for drawing lines perpendicular to another line. So here you see I lined it up with a piece of wood, and now I'm drawing a line that's perfectly perpendicular to its edge. I can rotate the piece of wood and draw another line perpendicular to the line that I just drew. And that's the basic principles of using a tri-square. Next up, this is a standard G-clamp. This little silver pad can be pressed to allow the silver bar to move freely. And then the orange handlebar can be pressed down to tighten the clamp. So if you want to clamp something to the table, take the clamp, press the handle until it's tight. Take another one, tighten it, and now it's clamped to the table. Now to release it, you just press the silver pads below, and the clamps will release. Next up, we have a standard claw hammer. Here's the handle. Then we have the head. One side's used for hammering nails, the other is used for removing them. So you never want to use a claw hammer with a loose head or any hammer with a loose head, but this is how you use it to hammer in the nail. And then you can use the other side of the head to remove the nail. So next up, we have mallet, similar to a hammer but made out of wood. We have the handle and the head. So this is used for hammering things that are softer than metal, such as plywood or dowels. So here we have a dowel. Once again, we make sure that the mallet doesn't have a loose head because it's dangerous, it could fly off. Then we simply hit the dowel in. Now we have some screwdrivers. This is how you hold them. Both are used primarily for unscrewing screws and screwing back in. One's Phillips head, another one's flathead, but most screws are Phillips head. So here we have a Phillips head screw, and this is how you screw it in with a simple twisting motion. And then if you want to remove it, you twist it in the opposite direction. So lastly, we have a chisel. Here's the handle and a straight edge with a sharp beveled end. That's it for the General Workshop Safety Introduction video. Be wild, be creative, be brave, and most importantly, stay safe.